In the years leading up to 1966, cats and dogs were being stolen from their homes and brought to science laboratories to be used for research.
In response to these thefts, in 1966, the U.S. government passed the Laboratory Animal Welfare Act to establish regulations on how lab animals may be obtained and maintained.
In 1970, the act was amended to protect all warm-blooded animals, not just cats and dogs. However, the act still excluded all livestock, mice, rats, and birds. This amendment also stated that humane standards must be maintained in labs and that pain-killing drugs must be used when it does not interfere with the research.
A 1985 amendment further expanded regulations to promote the well-being of animals, followed by an amendment made in 1990 that expanded protections to just dogs and cats.
In 2002, another amendment was added to require that reports must be submitted on the use of mice, rats, and birds in labs, but did not increase their protection.
In 2008, an amendment was added to further regulate how dogs and cats that are used in labs are obtained.
After all the amendments to the Animal Welfare Act, there are still not enough regulations on lab animals.
The AWA needs to be amended further to protect all animals from being tortured for scientific research.
After all the amendments made to the Animal Welfare Act, there are still not enough regulations on lab animals.
The AWA needs to be amended further to protect all animals from being tortured for scientific research.
Cruelty to any being is the same. The only difference is the victim.